The world of manufacturing is changing. We used to think of huge, dangerous robots in cages. Now there's a new kind of machine on the factory floor, the Cobot. Cobots, short for collaborative robots, are designed to work alongside humans. This is a huge shift from traditional robots. Those were kept separate for safety reasons. Cobots are designed for safety. They have sensors and software to prevent accidents. This allows them to share space with human workers. This collaboration opens up exciting possibilities in automation. Cobots bring increased efficiency and productivity. They also improve worker safety. It's a win-win situation for businesses. Cobots are revolutionizing how we think about automation. They are not here to replace human workers. Instead, they are here to enhance their capabilities. This new era of collaboration between humans and machines is upon us. It's an exciting time to be involved in the world of manufacturing and beyond. Cobots are versatile. They can perform various tasks in collaboration with humans. One of their primary functions is assembly. They excel at repetitive tasks. This makes them ideal for assembling small parts. This frees up human workers. Now they can focus on more complex and creative aspects of the job. Quality control is another area where cobots shine. They use sensors and vision systems. This allows them to detect defects. This ensures a higher level of quality control. Cobots also excel at material handling. They can move materials around the factory floor. This reduces the physical strain on human workers. Packaging is yet another area where cobots are making a big impact. They can handle packaging tasks with speed and precision. This improves efficiency and reduces errors. The advantages of using cobots are numerous. They increase productivity, improve quality, reduce costs, and enhance worker safety. These benefits make them an attractive option for businesses of all sizes. The use of cobots is not limited to manufacturing. They are transforming various industries. In healthcare, cobots are assisting surgeons in the operating room. They are also helping nurses with patient care. This allows healthcare professionals to focus on tasks requiring their expertise. The food and beverage industry is another sector benefiting from cobots. They are used in tasks like packaging, palletizing, and quality control. This ensures hygiene and consistency in food production. Cobots are also finding their way into the logistics and warehousing industry. In these sectors, they are used for tasks like picking and packing orders. This speeds up the fulfillment process. The versatility and adaptability of cobots are driving their adoption across a wide range of industries. They are changing the face of the modern workplace. Cobots versus traditional robots. A paradigm shift in automation. Cobots and traditional robots both automate tasks. However, there are key differences. Traditional robots are large. They are also expensive. They are designed for specific tasks. They require safety cages. This is to protect workers. Cobots, on the other hand, are smaller. They are also more affordable. They are designed for collaboration with humans. They have built-in safety features. This makes them safe to work alongside humans. Cobots are also easier to program than traditional robots. This ease of use makes them accessible to businesses of all sizes. Cobots offer a more flexible and cost-effective solution for automation. This is especially true for small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs. The brains and brawn of cobots, a glimpse into their technical prowess. Cobots are packed with advanced technology. Sensors are crucial to cobots. They allow cobots to perceive their surroundings. They detect the presence of humans and objects. This prevents accidents. Vision systems enable cobots to see. They can inspect products and identify objects. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is playing an increasingly important role in cobots. AI algorithms enable cobots to learn from their experiences. They adapt to changing environments. Collaborative control is another essential feature of cobots. It allows humans and cobots to work together safely and efficiently. Connectivity is also crucial. Cobots can communicate with other machines and systems. This enables seamless integration into existing workflows. The future of cobots is bright. As technology advances, cobots will become even more intelligent, versatile, and capable. We can expect to see cobots in new and innovative applications. They will transform industries like construction, agriculture, and even our homes. The growing demand for automation, coupled with the need for flexible and safe solutions, is driving the cobot market. The increasing affordability and ease of use of cobots are making them accessible to a wider range of businesses. Governments around the world are recognizing the potential of cobots to boost productivity and create jobs. Cobots are revolutionizing the way we work. They are not here to replace humans, but to augment our capabilities and create new possibilities. Their ability to collaborate with humans, their safety features, and their ease of use make them a game changer in automation. As we move towards a future where humans and machines work hand in hand, embracing the cobot revolution is essential. The future of work is collaborative, and cobots are leading the way.